Pearl Standard believes that regression to the mean, or return to the source, is the true progress of human civilization. This is because human civilization has fallen far behind the rapid advancement of technology. People should not be enamored with modern civilization marked by so-called technological progress. While humans revel in the luxuries and pleasures of modern life, they are oblivious to the concurrent increase in entropy. Entropy, originally a term from thermodynamics, is related to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy always increases in an isolated system. The significance of entropy has transcended the field of physics, with many intellectuals considering it the ultimate law governing the evolution of the universe. Einstein once said that if many laws could be reduced to one, he would choose the law of entropy. Eddington went even further, proclaiming entropy to be the supreme law of nature. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness in a closed system without external influence. As disorder increases, entropy increases. This concept has expanded beyond thermodynamics to represent inefficiency and disorder at equilibrium. All living and non-living entities in the universe, including the universe itself, evolve from low to high entropy, ultimately leading to heat death. Thus, the law of increasing entropy is both the most despairing and valuable universal law discovered by humans. No one can escape the fate of entropy, leading everything towards destruction. Humans are the rulers of all beings, forming a closed system with the planet they inhabit. As humans evolved, they achieved significant progress with the Industrial Revolution and modern technological advancements, bringing great convenience and comfort. However, the pace of entropy increase has also accelerated. The financial system, with its inherent flaws, has been accumulating entropy, exacerbated by mechanisms like cryptocurrency mining. The inevitable outcome of increasing entropy is societal chaos, economic collapse, and ultimately, the destruction of human civilization. Humanity is rushing towards this entropy-driven demise. Since the Industrial Revolution, human economic activities have emitted vast amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, releasing waste heat and increasing Earth's thermal entropy. Pollution from resource extraction and chemical reactions has led to water pollution and biodiversity loss, accelerating material entropy. Currently, Earth's carbon dioxide concentration has exceeded 400 ppm, reaching levels not seen in millions of years. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, global warming has already surpassed 1 degree Celsius and is projected to exceed 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Unfortunately, Earth's entropy is soaring due to human civilization's progress. People strive for a more comfortable life, building homes closer to nature and creating exquisite furniture, resulting in the rapid deforestation of 13 million hectares annually. Desertification affects about 30% of the global land area, threatening food production, while the extinction rate has increased dramatically. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, hundreds of species go extinct annually, a rate over 1,000 times higher than the average over the past 10 million years. Additionally, the oceans are suffering from increasing entropy, with indestructible microplastics and radioactive wastewater causing unpredictable consequences. Pearl Standard believes that even more tragic than physical entropy is the non-material entropy generated by human economic activities, which people choose to ignore. This non-material entropy is seen as the root cause of material entropy like carbon emissions and deforestation. Modern civilization, driven by convenience and comfort, ignores environmental concerns. So-called carbon reduction commitments by developed countries are merely symbolic gestures, and the greed of financial interest groups, empowered by modern technology, exacerbates this issue. They manipulate currencies, exploit the less privileged, and generate invisible entropy, enslaving humanity to money. Pearl Standard argues that the only way to prevent Earth's collapse is regression to the mean. This regression is not a step backward to primitive ways, but a philosophical return to a balance where Earth's entropy reaches its relative minimum, a harmonious equilibrium point necessary for human survival. The material world should mirror the economy in this regard.